Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear friends and viewers. We are going to study 80 joining words for IELTS, and I have divided them into 4 lectures. In the first part, we will see 20 of them. So let's get started. The first word is although, means agarche. In meanings in English, regardless of the fact that. Now let's have a look at sentence example. Although the main characters in the novel are so true to life, they are imaginary. The second word is because of, kyunke. Because of, kyunke, meanings for the reason that. For the reason that. Example, global warming is increasing day by day because of deterioration. The next word is despite, bawajood. The English meaning is without being affected by. Let's have a look at the example. The overall economic condition is favorable despite a few minor problems. Let's have a look at the next word. The next word is however, means taham. English meaning is used for giving surprising information. Let's have a look at its example. There are a number of possible references for the proposal, however, all are not effective. Let's have a look at the next words. Therefore, isliye, meaning as a result or consequence. Its example is the government was unable to get funding and therefore had to abandon the project. The next word is accordingly, iske mutabiq. English meaning is in a way that is suitable, in a suitable way or in a way that is suitable. Example is when the learners receive instructions, they used to act accordingly. And the next word is simultaneously. Bayak waqt, ek hi waqt mein. English meaning is existing or occurring at the same time. एक ही वक्त में वाक़ होना. The example is senior students can prepare simultaneously for both higher education and employment. The next word is historically, तारीख़ी तौर पर. Its meaning in English with reference to past events. Let's have a look at its example. It is known that garlic was used as a medicine in many cultures historically. And the next word is regardless, qata nazar. Its meaning is despite the prevailing circumstances. Its example is regardless of labor shortage, the construction project must be completed on time. The next word is apart from, ke ilawa. Apart from, ke ilawa, meaning except for someone or something. Let's have a look at its example. It was a difficult time. Apart from everything else, we had financial problems. And the next word is likewise, isi tarah se. Its English meaning is in the same way or manner. Its example in English is the bear population has increased and likewise so has the number of bear hunters. Next to it is in other words, बल्फाज दीगर यानी दूसरे अल्फाज में, meaning to explain some more clearly, to explain some more explicitly. Example is Einstein was the great physicist in the world. In other words, he is a genius. The following word is on the contrary, इसके बरअक्स, meaning is used to add a negative statement. Example is the crime has not disappeared. On the contrary, it seems to be becoming worse again. The following word is otherwise, basurate digar. Its English meaning is under other circumstances. Let's have a look at its example. The test helps identify problems that might otherwise go unnoticed. The following word. The word is overall, umuman, aam taur par, meaning in general rather than in particular. The example is Their overall strategy is quite good, but one or two of the details could be improved. One or two of the details could be improved. Word is due to, की वजह से. Its English meaning is because of something, किसी चीज़ की वजह से. Because of something. Example is the art of exhibition has been postponed indefinitely due to a lack of interest. The art of exhibition has been postponed indefinitely due to lack of interest. So that ताकि, subsequently or soon afterwards. Its example is our government made initiatives so that we could have a good education. Next word is meanwhile. दरी असना, इस असना के दौरान, इस वक्त के दौरान. In the intervening period of time. Its example is stress can be damaging to your youth. Exercise, meanwhile, can reduce its effects. The following words is as soon as, juhi, as soon as, juhi. In the shortest possible time. In the shortest possible time. Example is we were enthusiastic to start the science project as soon as possible. The following word is thus, is tarha, in the way just indicated. In the way just indicated. Example is they determined to reduce the number of employees and thus to cut costs. The following word is as a result, natijatan, because of something that has happened. Because of something that has happened. Example is the rate of crime has reduced in big cities as a result of public awareness. And that's all for today.